Welcome everyone. Let's dive into Ansible, an automation tool that makes life easier. Imagine never having to manually configure servers ever again. Sounds amazing, right? With simple YAML scripts, you can orchestrate system management without the headache of installing complex dependencies. No agent, no problems. By the end of this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without Ansible. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. So why use Ansible on Windows? Well, gone are the days of manually configuring each machine like a frustrated IT wizard. Ansible makes everything smoother, more consistent, and dare I say, almost fun. Plus, its improved Windows support means less troubleshooting and more automation magic. Before we jump into installation, let's talk prerequisites. Think of this like getting your ingredients ready before cooking. Without them, things go south fast. You'll need WSL enabled, Ubuntu running, and your system up to date. Once all that's set, we're ready for some Ansible action. Installing WSL is your gateway to using Ansible on Windows. Just pop open PowerShell and run one command. It's that easy. A quick reboot later and voila, you've successfully crossed over into the world of Linux on Windows. Ubuntu on Windows. Yes, it's real. Launch it, follow the setup steps, and boom, you've got a fully functioning Linux environment. The best part, no need to dual boot or mess with complex configurations. Keeping your system updated is crucial. Think of it as keeping your car serviced. Do it regularly to avoid breakdowns. Run apt update and apt upgrade, then reboot if needed. No skip steps, okay. Now for the grand act, installing Ansible. One simple command, and the automation magic begins. It's like installing a superhero assistant for your servers. Once done, you're officially an Ansible user. Moment of truth, let's verify Ansible. Run the command and see if everything checks out. If not, don't panic, we'll troubleshoot. If yes, welcome to the world of effortless automation. Welcome. Today, we're diving into Ansible inventory configuration. First, we'll define its structure, ensuring we know where our hosts live. Then we'll explore static and dynamic inventories, because sometimes automation should work smarter, not harder. We'll also group hosts strategically for better control. And finally, let's talk about variables, the secret sauce of automation. Buckle up, it's going to be fun. Alright, let's get hands-on. Writing your first Ansible playbook is like writing a recipe. Except instead of cooking, we're automating. First, get cozy with YAML syntax. It's your playbook's language. Then, define tasks using modules. Think of them as action-packed ingredients. Variables bring adaptability, so no rigid automation here. Finally, let's run our playbook and see some magic unfold. You heard that right, Ansible works with Windows too. First, we'll install Ansible because hey, no automation without the right tools. Next, SSH or WinRM. It's like choosing tea or coffee, but for remote access. Then we execute our playbook, lights, camera, action. Finally, we verify results, ensuring our Windows machines obey our automation commands. Smooth sailing ahead. Now meet Chocolatey, the package manager that makes Windows behave like Linux. First, we'll install it because Windows could use some automation love. Then we'll manage packages with Ansible. Goodbye manual installs. Consistency is key, so let's ensure repeatable deployments. And lastly, we'll handle dependencies smartly. Say hello to stress-free package management. Troubleshooting, every admin's rite of passage. First, we'll spot the usual suspects, errors that pop up when Ansible plays hard to get. Then logs become our detective stories, revealing clues. Connectivity and permissions can be sneaky, so we'll fix those. Lastly, performance matters. Slow automation is just manual labor in disguise. Let's keep things smooth. Best practices, here we go. Roles make playbooks modular, like well-organized Lego blocks. Keep them readable because future you deserves clear instructions. Security matters, so Ansible Vault ensures sensitive data stays locked up. And idempotency, because running a playbook twice shouldn't break the world. Automation done right. And just like that, we're at the finish line. We've learned how to configure inventory, write playbooks, troubleshoot, and adopt best practices. What's next? Explore further, join the Ansible community, and most importantly, experiment. Automation is like art, and your playbooks are the masterpiece. So go forth and automate. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.